Hello everyone, this is Jeffy Jebastin. Today we're going to be seeing the first experiment of our compiler's lab. The first experiment is token separation. As you can see, write a program to perform token separation for a given subset of a language. So go into our code. Here we have it. Yes. Stage one, step one, we input the number of lines, that is, we take it from the user, enter the number of lines, and this is taken in using the variable n and s dot next int. Now, another variable m is declared under integer, and one number, that is n plus 1 is added to it to give it one extra space. Then the string of lines, this is an array which is being created, and then we enter the statement, we prompt the user to enter the statement, and we enter we take in the number of statements as per the number of lines which has already been declared in the beginning. So next is, yeah, so after doing this, we come here, and string m string is an empty string, as you can see. Then we take a for loop, and as you can see, I is less than m, which is one number above n. And then we are going to add the m string, which is an empty string, with the lines of I plus and plus a space character. So for every word that is basically being entered, we will have a space in between them. This is only the space has been included so that we can use the split function. The split function will split the tokens based on the space. So wherever there's a space, basically it's going to split. Now I'm going to system out the splitted words are, and I'm going to display the words here. And then now for the string comparison, I create an array of strings, which is first is the operators plus, minus, division and multiplication. If more are required, more can be added. Keywords are declared as int, float, double, long. Punctuations are declared too. Identifiers are only 4 alphabets have been given for the identifiers, namely A, B, C, D. But if more are required, more can be specified, more can be entered. Then now we have the loop for strings and the loop for arrays as well. As you can see, this is the loop for the strings and this is the loop for the arrays. The length of the string and the length of the arrays is taken by dot length, op dot length, and spli stri dot length. If you see this, you can we get this spli stri from here, as you can see, which is the m string dot split. This has been split. All the tokens here have been split with the space. So that is exactly the value which we are taking, the length of the value which we are taking in our loop for the string. Then, so now we compare if the values contained in this variable. So if spli underscore stri of j equals operators, then we have to print out as operation. Then, hold on, this could be operators. Yes, and if it is going to be equal to the keyword, then we print out keyword. If it is going to be equal to delimiter, then we're going to put it as a delimiter. That is, punctuations are delimiters. And if any identifiers, 4 identifiers which we have used here are A, B, C, D. So if any of the above are specified, then it is going to print out as identifier. This is my code. Now I'm going to run the code. Okay. I'm going to put out one line, and the statement is going to be int a equals, let me try first this. As you can see, int is the keyword, a is an identifier, and a delimiter. Let me try this one more time. Enter the number of lines 1, enter the statement. I'm going to give the statement as, let's see, char a equals B plus C. As you can see, A, B are identifiers, plus is an operator, C is again an identifier, and the punctuation mark, which is a semicolon, is a delimiter. With this, we complete our first experiment of Compile Lab. Thank you.